ito ay matupad. Happy birthday!
This is the beginning of a life full of adventures, happiness, and most of all, more K-pop gimmicks.
Diba?
Well, I wish you, there will be a lot of challenges in life. Darating po tayo doon, no? But I wish you as you go along your journey, you should embrace it. You should embrace it with an open heart and with a brave spirit.
Happy 18th birthday! Now, legal age ka na. Be responsible in everything, lalo na sa mga decisions mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, lahat sana ng prayers mo and wish mo, desires of your heart will come true. And siguro it's also time to congratulate and recognize your daddy for raising a beautiful, intelligent, and smart, responsible lady in you. Alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi kayo magkaka-edad ng mga bata. Nila Chloe, nila Ella. And nakita ko yung pictures natin na nagpabinyag ako kay Chloe, nakita pa si Mami Aner. So sabi ko, kung nandito siya ngayon, definitely, she'll be proud and happy to see you growing so beautifully inside and out. Happy birthday, Claire!
Hello po. So bago pa ako mag-greet, gusto ko lang po mag-share ng PMI, ganon. Si Ganda or Claire po kasi, madalas ko yan siya makasama, gawa ng malapit lang po yung bahay namin. Kaya, masasabi ko po lahat ng stages ng life namin, magkasama kami. And I must say na na-witness po namin yung growth ng isa't isa. And fun fact, ang favorite memory ko nung bata kami is yung nagsuot kami ng Rapunzel and Aurora na costume para umatan sa isang birthday. Tapos nag-diretso swimming. Tapos after nun, nagsasayaw kami ng BTS, Blackpink, Twice. Nasayaw sa labas ng bahay ni Lola Prosy. Nag-boy in love pa kami noon. Tapos fast forward, nung lumaki na kami, ang dami namin naisip na business. Alam po yan ni Tito Arvin at ng nanay ko po. Kasi gusto mo na mag-appear for concert ng Enhypen, ganon. Tapos sa dinami-dami ng ideas na na-propose, ang natuloy lang po doon is yung Joliers. From our name, Jolie and Claire. Tapos ayun, sana matupad natin yung wish natin. Makapunta tayo sa concert ng Enha together. So, ito na nga po, tapos sinabi, I'm very thankful. Hindi lang dahil pinsan kita, naging kapatid, best friend, business partner, at naging one call away kita sa lahat ng bagay. Ganda, I always know that I'm so proud of you and I'm sure na proud din si Tito, Lola, and of course, si Mami mo sa'yo. Lagi ka niyang binabantayan. And I'm always here for you. Happy birthday, Claire. I hope you always feel loved because you are so important and so appreciated. You deserve the best, happiness, success, and all the blessings that will come. Always remember that I'm right here, just one call away, just like you've always been for me. I love you so much, my engine girlie.
Okay!
Let's go with Claire. So kasi, one time, nag-Stash Island tayo ng mag-isabi si CJ. And napag-desisyon na natin na mag-slide tayo sa pinakamataas na slide, which is yung King Philippines. And sabi mo, hindi mo kaya. And takot na takot ka na sa point na pinapauna mo. Tapos, pero na-overcome mo yung fear na yun. After nag-slide, sabi mo, masaya pala. And super proud ako nun kasi alam ko matatakatin ka. So, ito na yung meeting ko. Ayaw. Happy birthday.
achieve everything that you want to achieve in your life. Happy 18th birthday.
Okay.
Kasi na-expect na magiging magkaibigan tayo. Kasi nung grade 6, hindi man tayo ganun ka-close. So, bale, nung grade 10, hindi ko na-expect na magiging close tayo. Tapos doon, naging close na tayo, na yung bonds natin together. Bait mo! Hanggang ngayon, hawak ko pa din yung band mo. Happy birthday! Wala na akong masabi, mamaya na. Happy birthday!
First of all, happy birthday there. Birthday to Mom. And pwede mo na kami asarin ng minor kami. Hindi ko babaguhin. Hindi ko babaguhin yung sinabi ko na ikaw ang Girl Scout sa loob namin. Ready sa lahat at kompleto sa lahat. Happy birthday. Enjoy your big and special day. I wish you a good health. All your dreams come true. I wanted you to know that lagi ko nandito. Every ups and downs. I'm always here. I'll always be your number one. And hindi ko man nasasabi na you're one of my special person to me. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Claire. Wish ko na sa'yo good health and more birthday to come. May this day you'll be giant up with your loved ones. As we watch you grow during our school year moments, I get the chance to get to know you and I wanted you to know that I'm really grateful to meet you. Thank you, I really appreciate those times na tinutulungan mo ako sa research natin kahit anong oras nag-apply ka. And thankful naman kasi na-defend natin kahit na ano dami natin naging problema. I wish you all the best to your adulting stage whenever you need someone to talk to and we're always here. Happy birthday, Claire.
I wanted to tell you that I'm the luckiest person dahil naging kaibigan kita. Naiiyak na agad. You're the kind of friend who never judge me, who always listen to my rants and make me feel comfortable sharing anything with you. Masasabi ko na ikaw yung totoong kaibigan dahil payapa at komportable ako
CJ. So, thank you for helping us with your notes kapag tinatamad kami mag-notes. And kailanman, hindi ko na-feel na nagdapat ko sa amin. Seeing you now, I know your parents were so proud of you. How you grew up pretty, smart, kind. I wish for you that you'll stay humble and intelligent. Kung magbabago ka man, it's because you're at the best version of yourself. Thank you, Claire. And sorry kung minsan tumatawa kami kasi hindi namin ina-expect na ipapakita mo na yung totoong ikaw. Do you remember when nag-budots tayo sa bahay niyo? And then, nandun pala si Tito Arvin. And ayun yung pinaka-memorable and happiest day of my life. Kasi, nandun ka and then, hindi ka natakot na i-express yung sarili mo sa amin. Thank you, Claire, and happy birthday ulit.
Okay, blow air. Happy birthday! Yeah!